So today we're going to look at how to measure capacity. And remember that capacity is the amount of liquid that a container holds. So right here we're going to look at what is the capacity of the fishbowl? How much liquid does the fishbowl hold? And we're going to use a 1 liter beaker. This is called a beaker to determine the capacity of the fishbowl. If you look right here, you see that right here in the middle is labeled 500 milliliters. If you remember correctly, 1,000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. So down here, they're taking the contents of the fishbowl and pouring them into 1 liter beakers until all of the water has come out of the fishbowl and into the beakers. So 1 liter, the 1 liter container was filled 5 times. So the capacity of the fishbowl is 5 liters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 liters. How many milliliters is that? Correct, that is 5,000 milliliters. 5,000 milliliters is equal to 5 liters. So now we're going to look at the questions. Up here they show a beaker and it's just filled to right here, so it's filled to 300 milliliters. So the capacity of that mug is 300 milliliters. This pot filled 2 liter beakers and 500 milliliters more. So you would say that this pot's capacity is 2 liters, 500 milliliters. Right here, what is the total capacity represented in each picture? So you have 1 liter, 2 liters, 3 liters, 4 liters. You see that it's filled right to this liter mark. So that's 4 liters of liquid. Down here, this one has a 1 liter beaker full, and this beaker, it looks like it's full to about the line just over the 500 milliliters. So the capacity of these two is 1 liter, 600 milliliters. What is the total capacity represented in each picture? Here we have 1 liter, and then this is, it looks like 100, 500, 600, 700, 800 milliliters. So this one is 1 liter, 800 milliliters. So that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow.